Hey everyone, it's Tamara here. Welcome back to our channel. So I have a few questions for you guys. How many of you guys like Gingerbread Men? Now, how many of you guys like ninjas? Well, in today's story, we're going to be combining those two things. Our story of the day is called The Ninjabread Man. Alright, let's get started. The Ninjabread Man by Katrina Charman and Fabiano Fiorin. Once upon a time, in a small house in the forest, a lonely old man decided to make himself a friend. So he baked a gingerbread ninja, a ninjabread man. But when the ninjabread man turned golden brown, he jumped up and ran out the door. "Stop!" yelled the old man, chasing after him. But the ninjabread man kept running, shouting, "Kapow! Hiya!" and Shazam! "You can't catch me, I'm the Ninjabread Man." Along the path, a hungry pig was sniffing for acorns beneath the mud. He saw the delicious Ninjabread Man and shouted, "Stop! I want to eat you!" The Ninjabread Man twisted out of the way, singing, "Kapow! Hiya!" and Shazam! "You can't catch me, I'm the Ninjabread Man." At the edge of the forest, a herd of cows grazed in a field. One of them spotted the yummy Ninjabread Man and squeezed through the fence. "Stop! I want to eat you," the cow cried. The Ninjabread Man rolled right over the cow's back. "Kapow! Hiya!" and Shazam! "You can't catch me, I'm the Ninjabread Man." Farther down the hill, a flock of chicks pecked at the ground looking for grain. One by one, they smelled the Ninjabread Man as he whirled and twirled toward them. "Stop! We want to eat you!" They rushed toward him with their hungry beaks open wide. But the Ninjabread Man backflipped over them. "Kapow! Hiya!" and Shazam! "You can't catch me, I'm the Ninjabread Man," he chuckled. Then he reached a deep, wide river. He searched for a way to get across without getting soggy. A crafty fox was watching. "I'll help you cross the river," he said. "Just climb onto my back." "Stop!" yelled the old man, who had finally caught up. "I can teach you to jump the river in one single bound." The Ninjabread Man laughed. "Ha ha! I don't need help from anyone. I'm the Ninjabread Man." He took a flying leap but missed the bank, landing on a drooping tree branch. To his surprise, the old man leaped across the water, grabbing the Ninjabread Man's arm and taking him safely to the other side. "Wow!" gasped the Ninjabread Man. "Can you teach me those moves?" The old man nodded. Soon the Ninjabread Man was the star of ninja school. He learned how to jump across rivers and avoid hungry foxes. The end. Wow, wasn't that such a great story? I love how the Ninjabread Man finally listened to the old man and learned some new karate moves. Alright, comment down below and let me know what is your favorite karate move. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from the Boys and Girls Club. And I'll see you next time. Bye!